Now would you please welcome onto the stage your hosts tonight, Liam Moorhouse and Lewis Kelly.
Pathetic! What was that?
Should we try that again?
Try again. When we run on, you scream, cheer, yay, as loud as you can. Have you got that? Yeah. Is there anyone out there? Yeah. Right, we'll try it one more time.
Should we get our announcer fella to do that?
Yeah, get the announcer man.
Please welcome onto the stage your hosts tonight, Liam Moorhouse and Lewis Kelly.
Yes!
That was better.
That was great. I'm Liam.
And I am Lewis.
And we welcome you to the Gaiety Theatre. Do we like it here? No?
No. We had a no down there.
It's beautiful, look at it.
It's a wonderful place.
Do you not like it? It's
haunted.
It is haunted, actually. We've got a ghost right there. Right there.
Don't scare them already.
Well, you are here to witness some of the best Manx music in this room right now, today. Does that sound good? Yes. We have got an amazing lineup for you today. We've got the incredible Barrule. Give us an ooh.
Woo! And we have our amazing dancers, Grainne and John.
Give them an ooh. Woo! And we've got the YouTube sensation, which is Erika Kelly. Give her an ooh.
Woo! We got a cheer down there as well.
We've got a cheer. Yes,
Like
Erika's
Erika.
fans are in. But first, we need to get you going a bit. We need to get some energy in this place. What are you laughing at? I even brushed my hair for today. What we need is when you hear a fast and upbeat song, we need you to clap along. So join in clapping now. Not bad. Not faster, not faster. And stop. And clap. And stop.
What was that?
So throwing an air grab.
There, grab.
Right, are we ready to welcome to the stage our first act?
He's ready. He is ready.
I said, are we ready to welcome to the stage our first act? Please welcome Jamie, Tom, and Adam. It's the boys from Barrule.